Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to change Instagram password. So go for your profile and click in this three line option here. Then go for settings and privacy. Click on this account center. Then you have to go in this password and security option. Click on password. Choose your account. After that, you have to enter your current password. Then after that, you have to enter your new password here. Okay, like this. Then when you are done, you have to just go for in this change password option. So this is how you can change your password on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.